Hi wonderful person, welcome in Jakarta, Indonesia. Let me show you a nice budget hotel in Tangerang, located just half hour away from International Jakarta Airport, Jakarta Hatta, and beside a great mall, Robinson Plaza Tangerang. Name of this hotel, Yellow Bee Hotel Tangerang. Go inside, I will show you everything. Yellow Bee Hotel Tangerang and the reception on the 6th floor. On the 6th floor, hotel lobby. This part family funland and playground for children. And 2 meetings room up to 100 person. Vending machine. Waiting and lounge area. Kids computer corner, outside terrace, and way to the rooms. Now we are in superior twin room with 2 single beds, available also with 1 double bed. In this room we have bottled water, big table, chair, no city view in this kind of rooms, TV, air condition, place for luggage, for clothes, slippers, branded amenities, hot and cold shower, fresh towels, this is executive twin room, more bigger than the previous one, same facilities plus cool minibar, coffee, tea, water and kettle, and nice city river view. This is same executive room, but with 1 double bed. Now you can see the results of Wi-Fi speed test in the room. We are in the biggest family room. This room have same facilities like executive room and additional Netflix account and children's corner. Room prices here just from 20 to 30 US dollars per night. This is 300,000 to 500,000 IDR. I spent 2 days here. Room in this hotel so spacious, you saw before, simple, minimalist, and in my opinion, first of all, Yellow Bee Tangerang Hotel, good choice for budget family stay near to the airport.